Hello guys and gals, and we're back with another Pokemon thing. Advanced coloring Pokemon thing. Anyways, we have our... Oh, I forgot the pencil sharpener. I'll just have to get the pencil sharpener out. It should be right here at the back. Okay, here we go. Pencil sharpener. There we go. Now I have everything. Don't think we really even need a reference for this picture. But I have picked out some colors for this picture. We have two shades of purple, black, and gray. So, there won't really be much color for this one, but that's fine. I'll remove the colored pencils for now, and we're going to open this up. We have, well, basically, last week we did this one. It took a while. But, this week we have... this one. Grimer and Muck. Well, Muck, Grimer, then Grimer and Muck. So, let's see here. I'm going to put the colored pencil over there for now. So anyways, we have the cardboard right here. So, basically Grimer and Muck are, well, they're basically the same color purple. Just that one is bigger than the other. We have this, I don't know which one of these is lighter. Probably Orchid. Because we kind of need a lighter color than a darker color for the for stripes. And we have to draw the stripes in manually, probably. Anyways, also we do need something for the Pokeball. I'll have to decide what kind of Pokeball to make it, I guess. So anyways, let's start with this big picture right here. The main reason we have black and gray is because of the mouth. Because basically, Muck and Grimer are all purple, except for the mouth. Tongue is gray. Well, actually, it's like a grayish blue, actually, but I'm going to make it gray. And it'll be set apart by the black of the background. So we'll just do this. Yeah, I think this will look pretty good. Yeah. I'm not using a reference pick, and the only thing I'm kind of confused on is the eyes, and I'll probably just make them black as well. But, I kind of remember everything else, because I did do a little research beforehand. Okay. We're going to need that again later. And then we'll do this. I think the inside of the mouth is like black. Like most Pokemon, unless they're like organic, in which the inside of the mouth is red. Rule of thumb, basically. Even though Grimer doesn't have thumbs. Okay. Also, we could just basically do this. Also, I'm watching a download over here. I mean, I'm uploading some files. Looks like I have 50 seconds until I need to put some more in. I'm doing a massive upload. So, okay, so we want the primary color to be light so we can highlight it with the dark purple here. I think this is a dark purple. I don't know. What color is this even? Oh, this is the violet, yeah. And this is Orchid. So we'll see if Orchid is the right color for this. I'm not even sure. But we'll see how it interacts with, this looks like it's the right color. I mean, I don't know if it's exactly like Grimer purple or something, but it is pretty cool. So we'll just do this. We're probably going to need to sharpen this because it doesn't have really much leeway on that side. But for now, we can just bypass. What I'm doing with the texturing here, but it seems to be working, whatever it is. It says all those files have been uploaded. I'm going to need to upload 7 more. Okay, and we're back. Won't take too long for those to load. They're just Pokemon Go videos, so they're not very big, apart from one of them. But, we'll just keep doing this. We want to get a nice little base here, and then we'll put in like little stripes. It'd be nice if the stripes were already here. I'm gonna have to guess where they are. So it's gonna be unique, basically. But I think this is a good color. Okay, I think that's too much of a concentration of purple, but maybe it will be fine. Okay, so we'll see how the colors interact here. We'll see. We have to, well, okay, let's just say there's like a stripe right here. Kind of like this. I think it's kind of like that. So we'll just put in these little stripes. I don't think there are any on the head, but there will be in this picture. So kind of like that. Maybe they're too thin, but we'll see. I can always check the reference picture later and make any amends then. But anyways, oh, I have to okay. Yeah. These are just taking like a couple seconds each to upload, which is fine. Okay, but I do like the stripes. I think the stripes look really nice. So, we'll finish with this purple coat, and then we'll put in some more of the stripes. Let's see. Just like that, and then the amorphous fingers, there we go. There we go. Just like that. And whoa. Wow. That's going to take 21 minutes to upload. Yeah, I knew one of the files was huge. And it's going to take 21 minutes. The rest took like a couple seconds, but that one was like a gigabyte or something. So, of course, it's going to take some time. I should have ran it through Bandicut. When files are that big, I usually run them through Bandicut. I just wasn't thinking. So yeah, most of the videos that are getting uploaded won't be seen for another 3 or 4 weeks probably. On the channel anyways. Just how far I am on certain videos. But that's perfectly fine. They'll be there when I need them. Okay, we're almost done here. We just need to keep putting that purple on. Okay, and there we go. Now we have the darker purple here, and we can put in some more of those sludge lines. And I don't know exactly how to do this. We'll put one like right here maybe, right along here. And then, kind of like that. Anyways, let's see. Oh, up here we have Muck. And I think Muck is a lot like Grimer, except Muck is bigger. So let's go ahead and rinse and repeat, I guess. Wait, first of all, I think this is the tongue right here, so of course we make that gray. Yep. Just like that. And then we have the black colored pencil right here. And we can just, like that. Yeah. And then we just have the back of the mouth right here. So, let's see. I think that this is like the lowest it goes. Let me just see here. Yes. Yeah. This is Grimer, this is Muck. Right here. So yeah, Muck is kind of more condensed, I would say, but bigger. So, just like that. So, we'll just skid over this, and then there's an upstretched arm here. Just like that. We'll put in the lines later. So now we have a smaller version of both of them, and we have the poison symbol. Now, the way we're going to do the poison symbols, probably we'll use the purples that we used. And the same thing for the words up there. And we got lots of poison symbols to do. Also, the lines here that go all the way through will be the colors also, for the purples. So anyways, let's go ahead. Okay, this is already down at a nice height. So let's see. First of all, let's find the gray and the black. Gray first. I think this is the gray. Yeah, in comparison to the others, this is gray. Okay, so let's see. Tongue, that's gray, so we just go through here. Just like that. And tongue is here, I think. Just like that. And I think this is the black. You can tell because the wood is a little bit darker on that one. I probably used it more. So, plus it's really worn down from me having to sharpen it so much. Okay, so we're just going to go carefully along here. Just like that. And then we just, do that. With this one, we'll say this is the inside of the mouth. Just like that. Okay, now we need the lighter purple. And actually, I think what we'll do next is we'll do this upper line here in this lighter purple. Just like this. Okay, and then we go here. Make sure that, yeah, it's there. Okay. Just like that. And while we're over here, we're going to use this color for the lower part. So we will do that. And we just have a little place right here, just like that. Okay. And then we have all these poison symbols. 16, and down along the bottom there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, and also there's one at the top. So, I didn't keep track of how many that was. It's just, 14 minutes left. Okay. We also have to do the Pokeball. I'm going to have to get more colors out for that. It'll either be a Pokeball or a Premier Ball. I'm not sure which yet, but I'll figure it out. Anyways, we have, this is the lighter purple. It doesn't really show up as the lighter purple on the screen, but when you compare it to this purple, then you can kind of tell. This is more of a violet. This is an orchid color. So, seems kind of weird to color muck and Grimer something named after fragrant flowers when they're they're basically stinky toxic waste. But that's fine. I think the Pokedex talks about how they're even able to eat indigestible things, or maybe I'm thinking of Swalot. I don't know. It's a poison type thing, I guess. So, let's go ahead. Okay, there's the arch here of the forehead. There we go. There we go, and then we have this. The muck doesn't take very long because it's kind of bigger, but it's shorter. Grimer is kind of a taller, I don't know. Okay. I don't know what those are. We'll use this color on those. They probably aren't that color, but I'm too lazy to actually check. A reference pick. Oh, and it's kind of pooling here, which is kind of cool. So we're just going to go around the eye very carefully here, while trying to maintain the color integrity. Go around this eye. Good. Just like that. And then we keep going. So we have a little puddle right here, an outline puddle, and then another puddle, and we have that. Okay. Before I do any more of the stripes, I will check the reference picture. First, though, I will need to get more colors out, but first, we need to, okay, how will this look better? I think what... I'm not sure how this would look better. Maybe we should experiment up here. Okay. With this one up here at the top. I don't know if the skull should be the dark blue, the dark purple or the light purple. Okay, let's do it dark. So we're just going to kind of cheat here and go around the edge like this. We're going to get out of the lines a little bit, but that's okay. So we'll do that. And then, oh yeah, I kind of like that. Okay. Of course, the purple doesn't show up very well. Let's fix that. There you go. Just like that. Okay, we'll also do the words here while we're here. We're going to start by doing this. And then we're going to finish it with this one. Seems like we should be playing Alice Cooper here or something. You know, Poison. That song, Poison. Anyway, okay, let's do all the outer borders first. I think that would be best, and then we will do the inside. We have quite a few of these, but they go pretty fast, as you can see. We just do that. Okay. How many are there left? I'm not going to think about that. Let's see. We're going to just do that. Again, we're just basically using a cheat. We're just going in a circle just around this. So we're not even going to worry about staying in the lines. We're just going to go in circles. That's all we really worry about. Going in circles. Anyone can go in circles. And again, we're not really getting very good saturation on some of these, but that's fine. There is color, and that's the main thing. Maybe it's kind of a shading technique. I don't know. I'm just being lazy. So I'll call it a shading technique. Just like that. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. But some of them are not complete. Which suits me fine. There. And we just go around. Okay. Let's go ahead and do these first, and then we'll worry about the small ones later. So now all we have to do is color these, which is basically just going to be pretty easy. We just need to do a little bit of circular thing, as you can see. Just doing this. Just like that. And we get a line some, but that's okay. All part of the fun. Okay, there's this, 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 and that. Okay, that just leaves a few things. Oh boy. Not looking forward to doing these tiny ones, but okay, we will. No time like the present, right? Okay, 5 minutes left until that's done. Okay. I'm going to move this so I can... There we go. Okay. Okay. let's see. This is the outer edge, so we'll do the outer edge first of these. Again, we're going to cheat, but on a smaller scale. I like that. Actually, we're just going to go in a circle, like so. And we're going to largely even miss the circle, which is par for the course, I guess. Okay, we can do this. We're just going to go in a circle here. I mean, we're just going to go like this. I mean, anyone can go in a circle, right? So you can just do this. It looks okay. Okay. Doesn't show up very well, but it's okay. We have this, so we can just go and apply the color. And we're basically just putting in a little swirl in the middle. And it's super fast. As you can see, we've okay, done that. That one, the last one didn't turn out very well because the cardboard wasn't in place, but that's okay. I just need to do a few last minute things and we'll be back. A little research, and I found that okay, I did do something wrong. We can fix it on some of the later ones, but we do have this red colored pencil here. So anyways, let's make sure that the okay. Can you focus, please? Okay. There, now it's focused, I think. Yeah. Okay. We need red for the Pokeball here. We'll put it in a regular Pokeball, I guess. Otherwise, the stripes look pretty good, except I put them in the wrong direction on the hands. But otherwise, kind of wishing that I'd made this into a Premier Ball, because then all I'd have to do is do a little bit of red and I'd be done. But we're gonna take this the long way, I guess. There we go. Okay, well that's part of the Pokeball, but we have this part to do as well. Wait a minute. It goes red, black, and white, I think, for the Pokeball. So, I'll have to check that for sure. I think there's a reference on the back of the book. Okay, so okay. Now we just have this area right here. So taking a lot of red, which is fine. So we can do this. There we go. We have black right here. Yes. There. And then we have this over here. We can just there we go. Now, I can fix the, see, the things on the arms are not supposed to go across like that. They're supposed to go like this, I think. Kind of like that. So we'll just do it like this. I was kind of doing it like veins, but okay. Anyways, and then there's like little spots like this every so often. And they kind of go along like this. So, kind of like that. The same thing is on muck. With the arms, they go like this, I think. But across the body, they kind of like also go like this. We'll kind of do it like that. Kind of like that. Okay, now we have this. Okay, so we still have to do the little things on this. So I think we put like little... I'm going to put one like this, and then we'll put one like this. One like this, and this, like that. So I'm not exactly sure where they go, but we'll just do something like that. Kind of like that. Oops. Well. Kind of like that. I don't think this one actually has arms, so, so we'll just do something like this. Okay. I'm going to take the black colored pencil and we're going to go over this kind of to give it a metallic sheen. It's not going to be a metallic colored pencil, but we are going to try for like a metallic sheen. So we're just going to go across like this over everything and do that. And we'll do that with this here. So this is kind of like a nameplate, and that one was a little bit too dark, but you get the idea. That looks good. I think that is going to do it. Let's take out the cardboard and see what's in store for us next week. Oh wow, it's every single normal type in Gen 1. Ooh, that's going to be time consuming. I can tell already. The sheer amount of references I'm going to need for this is going to be astronomical, which is fine. Okay. Then we have Venusaur. We have Pikachu. We have Tentacool and Tentacruel. We have fighting types, minus Mankey. We have Primeape, Hitmonchan, Hitmontop. And we have Gotta Catch 'Em All. So we're almost done with this book. Wait, I was going to check the reference here for Pokeballs. Yeah, red, black, and white. Okay. Premier Ball is just white, and red. With red in the middle instead of black. Okay. But anyways. That is going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe. Ring the bell so you know when I upload. And we only needed these colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. I think that's the least amount of colors we've ever needed. Except for maybe Pikachu. I think Pikachu we only needed 3 colors. Yellow, red, and black. Wait. That's got me curious. Where is the... Yeah, the Pikachu one we only needed 3 colors, I guess. Okay. Anyways, that is going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, or if you want to join the Discord server, all that information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.